Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Solar maintenance usually gets discussed in two extremes. Either it is presented like a simple wash-and-go routine, or it gets buried under expensive technology talk that never helps the field team. The truth sits in the middle. Good maintenance is about catching loss early, fixing the right problem first, and not wasting labor on the wrong assets. In this video, we are going to cover 3 layers of maintenance that actually move performance. First, what you can see on the ground. Second, what thermal drones reveal faster than manual inspection. Third, where AI helps teams stop guessing. Let's start with the basics, because they still matter. Visual checks catch obvious soiling, broken glass, vegetation encroachment, loose connectors, water ingress, and mounting issues. The mistake is assuming visible dirt equals your biggest loss. Sometimes the dirtiest row is not the worst performing row. That is why cleaning needs to be practical, not cosmetic. Before you send crews everywhere, compare soiling pattern, rainfall history, site layout, tilt, nearby dust sources, and production impact. If the loss is localized, targeted cleaning beats blanket cleaning almost every time. Now the second layer, thermal drones. This is where most teams save serious time. A drone can screen large blocks quickly and reveal hotspots, bypass diode issues, string mismatch patterns, connector heating, and inactive sections that are easy to miss from the ground. But let's handle the common objection now. Thermal imagery does not catch everything. It is powerful, but it is not magic. A clean thermal image without SCADA context can still miss deeper performance problems, and a hotspot without proper review can send crews to the wrong root cause. So here is the operational approach that works. Use drones for rapid fleet-level screening. Use SCADA to confirm whether the anomaly is affecting output. Use AI to connect the image, the asset, and the likely cause so the field team shows up prepared. Mid-video recap. We covered manual checks and drone detection. The third layer is the one that prevents maintenance from becoming a reactive cost center. AI is useful when it saves time in the handoff. Instead of dumping images into a folder, the system classifies defects, groups repeat patterns, and tells the O&M team which issue is costing the most energy right now. That means fewer blind truck rolls and less time wasted debating the priority list. A solid maintenance program is not about adding complexity. It is about building a sequence. Ground truth first, drone evidence second, AI-assisted prioritization third. That rule of 3 is what turns maintenance into a repeatable operating system. If your current process still treats cleaning, inspection, and fault resolution as separate workflows, that is probably why small losses keep surviving month after month. The next step is to map those 3 layers into one weekly review process that the whole team can actually use. Like, share and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device. Smarter decisions.